Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a real quick video here and update on the symptoms of the 240 and the no start issue. So far with the car, I've replaced the fuel in the tank, I've replaced the spark plugs, I've checked the wires, checked the distributor and the rotor, checked the timing belt, all that stuff checks out. We do have spark. The car will turn over with starting fluid. Then I started checking the fuel system. The timing or the fuel pump did not work, so I replaced the fuel pump, and I also replaced the fuel pump relay underneath here, and we can hear that click on and off when we turn the key on, and we still don't have any starting. So then I took down here a jumper wire and went between the left side of fuses 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, and that will hot wire the fuel pump to run constantly. And still, when we turn the key with the fuel pump hot wired, we still have no starting. So that I'm being told that if we have good spark and we have fuel at the fuel rail like I do, then the only other thing it could be is the ECU down here. And I do have a pink label ECU. Let's see if I can get a, for you guys want to check that out. And I'm being told that these have a high failure rate. So let's crank it over. And after a long crank like that, we can go back to the exhaust pipe, but we're not going to smell any fuel because the injectors are not opening. Yeah, it just smells like air. So if anybody has any advice, please leave me some comments.